Good evening, people. I'm going to show you how to install a FreeStyle Libre 2. One thing you got to have is alcohol swab. And if you're a man, you got to make sure your arm is shaved off. You know, make sure you ain't got no hair on it. See, I got it all shaved off. You take your alcohol swab and swab it real good to get the oil off of it. Then you let it dry a couple of minutes. You know, just let it dry for a couple of minutes. I'm sorry I ain't got my shirt on. And there's the instructions. You should read your instructions. But I've been doing it almost a year. Here's your sensor in this container. So I throw that away. Here's your sticker. You unscrew this lid. If you look, you got a mark right here. I don't know why they put it on there too good. But you line this up with this mark here. Then you push it in, it snaps. You take it out. It feels dry. You see, I stick it down and I hold it there for maybe about 30 seconds and kind of twist it just 1/8 of an inch, and I'll make sure that glue sticks. Then you lift it up. Then you put the lid back on. And I throw it in the garbage can. And the only thing I don't like about it, people, you either have to use your reader or your cell phone. I wish FreeStyle would make it where you could use both. You know, I saw videos that said you can use both. You can't do. When I first started, you either have to use one or the other. To me, I think the cell phone is better because you always got your cell phone with you, say 24/7. So it's on. So I'm going to upload this video. Then you got an app you go to that you download on your phone. You hit it, you scan it, then you have to wait about an hour. Then you can take your readings. So that's how I put mine on, people. It's on my right shoulder, as you see. So this is only about 4 minutes. So thank you for watching. I hope I helped some of you. Some of you I've seen that it falls off, this and that. And that's one thing FreeStyle Libre 2 does not send with it. Those cotton swabs. You can get that at a drugstore where you get your FreeStyle or the other one. And if you're a guy, you gotta make sure you take your razor and shave it where you won't have hair on it. And make sure you take a bath before you put it on. Make sure you all clean up and smell real good for your mate or whoever. So that's how you put a FreeStyle Libre 2 sensor on for you people who has diabetes. Thank you for very much. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe bell. So I decided to do that. So bless you all.